Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this quiet Monday evening. Humidity is back. It felt like summer today. We topped out in the mid 80s. A couple of isolated showers still possible this evening, but there's really not much in the way of widespread rain, at least not yet. The dew points remain high, meaning it's very muggy, it's very humid. Not for long, though. An approaching cold front overnight will kind of dry the atmosphere out and lower the humidity for Tuesday. So while Tuesday is still a warm day, it's not as humid as it was today. So slight chance of a passing isolated shower or thunderstorm now through about midnight with the approach of a cold front, but I think most areas end up dry. The bigger weather story, in fact, we're actually in a pinpoint weather alert, would be for midweek. Heavy rain from once Hurricane Ida. A flood watch has been issued for our area for midweek. Specifically, Wednesday evening, Wednesday night into Thursday, a period of very heavy rain, potential for some flooding. Already got the holiday weekend not too far away. Right now, the early call is that it looks dry and seasonably cool and comfortable. All right, here's the flood watch. The areas in green, pretty much the entire area. Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, and into Thursday, several inches of rain possible. We'll get to that in just a second. Notice on the satellite and radar composite, got a couple of isolated showers just around north and west, a couple of thunderstorms. This is with the approach of a cold front. A few of these may sneak in next several hours. They're really not a big deal. Here's the wider view. And the front is kind of right on top of us. And as this swings through, what it will do is usher in lower humidity and drier air for Tuesday. So while it's still a warm day on Tuesday, it won't be quite as muggy. All right, draw your attention, where is it, to Ida. No longer a hurricane, no longer a tropical storm, now a tropical depression. So wind is really not a big factor anymore, obviously, but it is still a circulation of widespread, very heavy rain. And there's the area of low pressure, depression, and the latest from the Hurricane Center has it with winds of 35 miles per hour. So this is really a rain concern now. And what's left of the circulation will track east-northeast through the mid-Atlantic and just south of New England by late Wednesday and into Thursday. Let me show you kind of a radar representation of what it will look like. You see the storm. This is the forecast. Tracking north and east, and here we are Wednesday evening. You got this slug of very heavy rain out in Pennsylvania. It's starting to approach. This is Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, and especially into Thursday, and especially Thursday morning. It's a very heavy rain. So, some of our computer models, in fact, a lot of them have been honing in on a potential for 2 to 4 inches of rain. You can see that swath of red and purple right in here, even heavier amounts out towards Pennsylvania. We actually have some computer models with as little as 2 inches to as much as 6. I think we can handle 2, but if this ends up being more like a 6-inch rain amount over that Wednesday night, Thursday time frame, I mean, a pretty serious flood situation would unfold. So bottom line, this is something that's going to need to be watched very closely. In the meantime, we'll get in real close here. And the forecast for Tuesday is actually pretty good. Some sunshine Tuesday morning, starting off in the mid-70s on a northwest breeze and lower humidity. And it's warm for Tuesday afternoon, but it's not as muggy or as humid. A mix of clouds and sunshine, and looking at temperatures generally in the mid-80s, and then all eyes on that Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, Thursday time frame, potential for some flooding rain. So certainly stay tuned.